So we have another cruise port that is dropping its COVID requirements, and it's going to allow all cruise passengers to visit. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we just got a quick cruise news story for you. It's going to be short and sweet this morning, but starting this Wednesday, August the 24th, the Grand Caymans has dropped all of their COVID requirements. That means no vaccination requirements, no testing requirements, and no masks anytime anybody visits the Grand Caymans. So this is really good news for cruisers, because that means we have another cruise destination, like I said, dropping all of their vaccination requirements. We heard this from St. Kitts here just this last week, which means as the cruise lines continue to drop their requirements, change their requirements, and their COVID requirements continue to go down and down and down, because almost all of them now accept unvaccinated passengers. That means there's going to be more places that the cruise ships can go, more itineraries that these cruise ships go. So only a few places left out there that are still having these requirements. You know, we still see it in Canada. We have seen Bermuda make some changes. Like I said, we saw St. Kitts drop their requirements, and now the Grand Caymans has dropped their requirements as well. So like I said, really good news for cruisers. All right, and that's going to be it. Like I said, short and sweet, and that is your cruise news for this morning. Hope everyone enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone has a really, really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.